with that St. Mary. St. Mary with that. St. Mary with St.
Oh, you gotta be careful, you know. Yeah, man, yeah, careful.
So I'm starting another little video for you right here. Alright, so I'm gonna deal with this. The White House banana them, you know what I say? Yeah, I think so. Whole bunch of me I go deal with. See, them have it in a one part, I see. So me know say them there will work. I think so. So me have one pack of bag. Yeah. I don't even know which part or which part. But me I go right the top and I'll show you what me I do. Remember, you know, me I carry no through the hurricane with me, you know. I carry me all me I go through it as the time, because as the time gets more and more still, this is like 1 week plus in. Yeah. So maybe 3 or 4 days time it's gonna be 2 weeks. So I just start, because I know from now on going into a setting, you know how things are scarce. So I'm gonna be writing like what we call it, White House banana. So I write White House banana. It might sound good to the angle of the camera. It might look left and right too. So I write out some of them bags here. I'm going to show you. This is a process I'm going to be taking you through as I go along. How I negotiate my way around. I'm telling you, say, family not go there. Right? I'm just going to show you. Look how much background. Look about. So I write about. I'm using this for porridges, you see? Alright. I'll show you what I do. So this is my, what you call it, permanent marker. Me use it for me when I write up my phone them. I do a little paper. I have my bag then here. But I'm going to use my pair hands. I think I use. I'm going to fix the camera good. Can up look closer. I think it's getting there. So what I go do, I go take it off hand by hand. I'm still under the water struggling, you know. That me I show you. I show you how me I negotiate it. So this is one hand. One hand. See, it's a one hand. So I have to peel them. I peel it, see? Turn it off of the spew. And you have, if you are watching, I thought some of you, if you're new here, you will see that. But some of the old faithful ones, them don't know yourself. I don't want to call no name for nobody feel offended. Say, look how long me I watch her and she not call me name. But you all know yourselves, eh? Yeah. It make nice porridge. So you see, I'm gonna show you. Me I think so that's why they call it White House banana. It's very white. It doesn't have a lot of stain, and it's not as soft like, yeah, you know, hard like regular banana. So I'll peel some. I'm gonna peel all of it though, and I'm gonna be cutting it in like this. I'll show you. Like how I cut up a plantain, it's very soft, you see? So when you see it, the knife can go through it easy, but it makes a really nice porridge. So look here, with the heat when we're there now, I know say it's soon ripe up. When it's ripe and you fry it, it's not so nice like plantain, but maybe some people eat it. They market before this time, yeah. I sell for money. I mean, I how them come here for them to people a market for money. And with me there country, but they not eat it. My father pick it off a tree, cut it up, ratch a piggy egg. Times have changed. You see, anytime me go market, me notice say, and them are some banana way easy to blow down, you know. So me don't know how comes this when they not blow down. They are very, very easy to blow down. So look here. Me go do some of this and me go show you. Right? And as we go along on the journey, remember you see me do this. I'm gonna show you how it holds up and how we use it to make porridge. Alright? So when me finish and get how much back, me I come back on the show. So basically on what me I do. See next clip. Okay, now porridge. So I do the two biggest and them. And I have them into this. You see it? So me I go get these in our next bag. What I want to show you You know, it take me a little time to peel them and to get them in here. You see them still white? That's why I then call it white toast. It doesn't oxidize easily. So I'm going to rest this in my freezer now and get the other one done. Alright? You see that? I start. For when the famine start, I can help myself one little way. See? Okay, price. So I just get 1 3/4 bag. Because if I want all of those, when them freeze, then we just like, you know, lose. This is how the time the morning at. Yes, so I just get like 1 3/4. I finish. You see it? Done. So I have some plantains here. These turn. So me I go freeze these, so me I go wash them and show you how me I do them. I think about 6 or 7. I don't know them penny. I don't know. I must about 4 or 5 left out there. I don't know. But them are turn up. So these turn up already. I don't want them get no turn up. I don't want them get no softer. So them firm still. So I cross out the bag and put ripe plantains. Because I write up all of them bag there. So what I go do you know, I go put in the I put in the ripe plantain them now. So I finish them 2 bags there already. And I put them into the freezer, the deep freeze. So what I go do, I go wash these. I go on here so I wash them. So I can put these in 1 bag. So when the others right, I can able to put them in another bag. So I go do. I love boiled plantain, you know, when it's not too. I don't like it when it's too ripe. I don't fool for ripe. The most way I like plantain is when it turns and it boils. So that me I do right here. So I've done this already and it works perfect. So I'm going to wash the other one now. So I'm going to put it in the Ziploc. I'm going to have to dry them because actually they are going into the freezer. And we have 1. But that's something in here. I cut it to like, oh, these can put in like red pea soup, any form of soup. And you can boil them with dumpling or so. So I'm going to put these in this bag. But they cut some of them too big and this can cut in that too. I like the ripe plantain and the red pea soup. So when they freeze, they are loose. So you don't have to worry. You can just open your bag, take out 2 or 3 pieces where you want. And you can put it for boil. Yep. So ripe plantains, and me I go put these in the freezer as well. Now I'm gonna be going on to something a little different, and you will see. Next clip. So alright, Parry, you see me skins them. Yeah. So yeah, you know me see. Me just soon scrape them out and put them in the garbage and then wash out the sink. So me peeling them. To be honest, my big finger, the quit when I use peel, it's a little tender, but I don't know the skin off of the White House banana then give me a little thing. But when I finish and come out of the water, I'll just warm a little castor oil and just drop it in and I quit. By another few hours, I quit good again. Alright, so I'm just showing you. Next clip. Okay, now, fam. So that I got cut out some jelly now. We're on the outside. So I'm going to cut out some jelly. We're going to save the water. Mostly for camera girl, because the jelly water mostly have she. But as you can see, show them that. Show them. Oh, that is not jelly meat. Show them with the machete. Show them. This is, I'm going to clean off the edge of the point of the machete. Yeah. I want to show all the machete this thing you know, Barry. You see? That show them it. That is called hard coconut. Tough coconut that. So that is gonna show the water, and then I'm gonna show you. See it? It have all shell, almost young shell. So I'm gonna throw the jelly water for camera girl, and I'm gonna show you. No, we do jelly water already. Wow. So I'm gonna throw the jelly water now. I have something over it was strain it. Yeah, I like do it like this. Alright, I'm gonna bust it up now and show you something. See? Alright now, Barry, Dad have some more coconut for cut. But what am I gonna do? I'm gonna use spoon. You know, some part of this soft as jelly, and around the edge then you can see, say, not all of them, but most of them are hard coconut. So I'm gonna use that and we'll scrape out that, and I'm gonna show you what me I do with it. I've done this so many times. Yeah. So I'm gonna take out the coconut. You see some of them here? We hard all around. Them call, you see that? You see this, Parry? You see this? You see this? You see this? This is hard coconut. And a jelly. But some people get fooled by it and them not understand. You eat too much of that, it hurt your belly. So I take it out, and when him reach all of it, when him finish all of it, I'll show you what I'm gonna do with it. You see, it have most of them a farm cup. Maybe not this one, but this, and that, and a few more. Them have cup and the, you know, the husk. Yes, so them add coconut right there. So when we finish with all of this, and you see me at the next step, me I go show you when me I deal with it. Them look at something as we go along. We have to pick out them look at something. I have to use the spoon to get it out. Yeah, next clip. Okay, 1 gallon of natural jelly water for cob. Yeah, sometimes she have little stomach problem also, and when she drink the jelly water, sickle her stomach. So this is hard coconut flesh. So me I rinse it off. Right there, I rinse it off already in my colander. And it there drain out. You know what I want to. This have to go in the refrigerator. Once you cut the jelly, it have to go in the refrigerator. These must go in there right away. Not in the refrigerator for these, but in the freezer. Comment below and tell me what you think I'm going to do with this. I won't tell you in this vlog, but you will see me using it. Comment below and tell me. You might have a little jelly meat tonight, but not much. Just a small amount. Comment below and tell me. This is hard coconut flesh. Tell me what you think I'm freezing this for. This is something that I've done so many times. I've never showed it on camera, and that is why I say I want you to check me out as we go along on our homemaking journey. I can't say one thing. I think Jamaica's people then spoil and waste food too much. So this is a hurricane here come to make some of we know we sell. Not me, because I know I not for waste food, but I have some family members in here. And I put it like this. Freezer. Next clip. Blessed day, Parry, it is the next day. This is another, this definitely is a little trial and error. Somebody tell me something, but me I do something extra to it. So me have here some bananas. Me have a lot of good little amount of green banana. So me just have a few in there. So them say them just peel it and put it in the freezer and peel it in a water. Okay, so it's right and pretty. But me here, I'm putting some lime juice. I'm just gonna try it. So me gonna leave it in the freezer and me have to test it to see if when me come out, take it out and cook it how it's there. So this is a trial and error. If it works, we just show you this or get into this in another vlog. So I show you how it works in our next vlog. I'm just putting the lime juice to it. If the lime juice doesn't work, I have another thing that I am going to do. So this is it. Put the lime juice onto it. And I'm gonna leave them to freeze. See how the oxidization go, and we have to test it how it works after we take it from the freezer for cook it. Okay, now Parry. So I look at breadfruit them here with Dad did roast. So what me I do here now, so my face and me have to go damp them again. Yeah. Alright, Parry. So the whole this one now with the breadfruit, I want to save some of the breadfruit them that they do. Dad always peel them, slice them, and put them in the freezer. Them fry them over. I don't like the fry over breadfruit, so I want to do a few like this to myself. So I share with you. This process here, from a little girl, I saw my father not really like this. When him roast a breadfruit, and I'm gonna explain to you, and at the end of it, you can tell me in the comment section. Somebody else must know about it. We're born and grew a country with them old people. Him always skin peel it, and then this brown part here, that part here, I mean, I do it the right way. Him would roast it. After him roast it, him wet it up. Wet it, turn the stem down. When you're wetting the breadfruit, if you stand here so down, you don't wet the breadfruit with here so up, because it will just take in pure water into the heart. So you turn it down, and if you mark the bottom, you have to do it on the side and wet it. And wrap it in a piece of cloth and leave it for maybe a 45 minutes or so to an hour. And then when him come back, it's soft. So we did these from yesterday, right? So when him do it, he would have right here. So you see that little light brown part there? Yeah, so. And he would have did peel it. He wouldn't peel it, he would have just scrape off the black. He call it skin peel. I don't know if nothing can go so. And then as him peel it and get off here so brown. I'm not going to do it that way though. I just show you. He would have it when he finish this part here would be left as it, and he would have just keep putting it back at the fire until it get crispy. And when him cut it and open it, you just eat right here. So it was so nice, skin peel. But when I take off the black. I wanna just show you one. Just one may I show you how I gonna do mine. Because I tell you something about breadfruit. A lot of people don't know about breadfruit. You see, when you get a breadfruit where properly roast, roast and properly cool, and you wrap that breadfruit, once it's properly cool to the core, to the heart, that breadfruit can stay at least a week outside a refrigeration and not do it. A lot of people don't know that. So me want to do some of these like this, because me not like it. So when it's in the fridge, me can just easy welcome. Take a little it take a little time though, but me not mind. I don't mind. Them I go do some of them in a and we have a lot, like a whole lot in the deep freeze where that dough are ready for just fry over. I don't really too like the fry over breadfruit. Them dig it in my family, but I don't. So me I go and peel off this. I'm going to show now me I do it. And it'll take me a little time, but good things always take time. So me I go peel it off and show now basically how me want to do mine. You know, if I put it up. Because some people will put it in a bag and put it in every, but I don't think I want to put it in every. So you put a black pan. I don't think it really look right in your refrigerator. So me I go and do this and return. Alright, Parry. And also my father won't do that look. You wouldn't see no white, it just see pure brown. But I know him may try in person yet. But I try show no how me want to store it. So I was thinking too, from about a year now, I have some little people where since YouTube here I meet them, they have been so wonderful to me. They have been so good to me, right? Just a few. And I have some nice breadfruit. Most of my breadfruit, them as I tell you in a prior video, I think I said it, them not blow up, but them young, them not ready for. So if them keep, if no more time not come, I have some nice one. This is pretty light. The shipping pan this money can big, you know. So me I think if me do it so, plastic wrap it. If I don't know, I'm gonna ask Kminizie to ask. I share the shipping, she have the shipping thing. So I am gonna be storing it like this in a plastic bag in the fridge, not the refrigerator. So when you come, you can just cut it. If you want to fry it, you fry it. Also, as it is, if you want peel, you can just continue peel thing. So me I could do some of them here. Them here for me. So me just peel and slice up and add it up. And me still a good thing if me can get it away. Because when breadfruit roast, you know, it's light. This is pretty light. So this is what I'm doing. You know, me I go finish some more. And then I'm going to put them in a plastic bag. No, I'm going to put like one or maybe two in a bag. This is just for me, you know, because I just me alone in here eat. So me I go on with them here. So look here, I'm trying to work myself in for the challenging months ahead with every little thing where scarce, where falling, where we now go see back some of them there for another year and a half, depending. Because if any more storm come like this or even near to this, it's gonna be worse, but this is it. So tell me what you think about this. Tell me if you ever do more. I don't think I'm me alone have this idea. Yeah, but I'm gonna do a few of them, get them, or maybe 2 or 3 more, get them in a bag, and then I'll get you back. So now that I've done this, Parry, I wrap it with a piece of hand towel. A napkin, you can put it in maybe plastic wrap or so. But I have these nice little bags, and I always try to put them in a bag. And you can put this. This is not supposed to be frozen. So I keep it like this in my refrigerator. This can keep up to 3 months in your refrigerator as a fresh breadfruit. And you don't have to have it frozen. Next clip. So after 24 hours, this is my hard coconut meat. You see it? You can easily well shuffle up and you get out some. So this is my hard. Let me show you on the inside. Hard coconut frozen. And I tell you to leave in the comment what you think I'm going to do with that. You'll see in some video, because these won't be used. Definitely no. Hard coconut flesh again. This is the White House bananas that I be using for porridge. So this is what it looks like after 24 hours. So you need to come and just shake it up, you know, as they go along. All frozen, you see them? White and pretty, same way. Alright, these are ripe bananas. This is the plantain. Over time it oxidizes, but that's why I leave the skins on. This is what it looks like. The color is intact, and when I cook it in the skin, I'll boil it. So I'm just showing you these after 24 hours. That's how they look. These are still the White House. This is the banana for about, this is the green banana, so it looks like it will work. So after about, maybe about 8 or 10 hours, this is what the green banana look like in there. But I squeeze the lime on. So thanks for watching. I hope you did enjoy this. Please leave me a comment below, and remember, tell me what is your favorite part in each of my vlogs. Remember to cock up your foot. Remember to make sure you give me a thumbs up. Remember to watch the ads and all of that. As I told you, I'm on a mission to try to see how much the food that we can find them, how much I can preserve them for future use. Because can I tell you, the eat and the challenges are gonna be on.